Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the LSIKMC USB-C docking station designed to power up your productivity whether you're a professional, student, or gamer. Let's jump into the features of this productivity-enhancing tool. 15-in-1 connectivity. The docking station is packed with 15 different ports, offering unparalleled connectivity. With HDMI, VGA, USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet, SDAD, and TF card readers, and more, this dock allows you to connect all your essential devices. Triple and dual display support. The docking station can handle up to 3 monitors, perfect for professionals who need multiple screens for data analysis, designers managing multiple projects, or gamers who crave an immersive experience 100-watt power delivery. The LSIKMC docking station supports 100-watt power delivery, ensuring your laptop stays fully charged while connected. You can now power your devices and peripherals without worrying about running out of juice. 4 high-speed USB ports. The docking station comes with 4 high-speed USB-A ports, perfect for your mouse, keyboard, printer, or external hard drive. These ports provide fast data transfer, ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted while keeping your devices fully operational. Built-in Gigabit Ethernet port. This includes a Gigabit Ethernet port, delivering super fast wired internet speeds. Ideal for downloading large files, streaming HD content, or online gaming. This feature ensures a seamless internet experience without the hiccups of unstable Wi-Fi. This docking station is truly a must-have for anyone who wants to unlock their laptop's full potential. Check out the link below for more details and make the switch to docking station today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.